In this video, I wanted to take a look at the course schedule with you. You'll notice that over here I've listed the module due dates, and the modules are for the most part already open for you, so you can start them. You should complete them sequentially, but these are the dates at 11:59, which is a Sunday, that the modules are due. Most modules begin on a Monday and will end on Sunday. You can see I've included the topics, and then there are the assignments. There's a quiz. Sometimes the worksheet or task is the same, and so you can see the points added up here. There is exam 1, and there is a week for you to complete exam 1, but the due date is listed here, October 10th, in the case of this exam. You'll also notice that the majority of the course is front-loaded so that we're done with the majority of the work by Thanksgiving. This is intended to give you time to focus on your other courses. Here at the end, we have the capstone exam, which is a broad overview of the entire course material and will serve as the final.